Hello people, how you guys doing? My name is Gus. Today I'm going to do electronics in Korean, home appliances in Korean, how to write and also pronunciation. I decided to speak, put my voice in the video because pronunciation is very important. Alright, first let's go to TV. We don't have V sound, V sound. So we don't say TV, we just say TB. So it's more B sound, B, B. We don't have V, but B, okay? So, and we also don't have F. All right, and let's write TB. We say television also, but we don't really say television. But if you say television, then people understand. In the old days, we used to say terebi. Terebi, I think it comes from Japanese. But if you say TV, people will understand. TB. T P. And next one is fridge, refrigerator, fridge, same thing. We say 냉장고, 냉장고. Fridge and 냉동 is freezer, and then 냉장 is fridge, but as a whole we say 냉장고, so including the upper part and lower part. 냉장고, 냉장 고, 냉 장 고. Fridge, refrigerator or fridge. Fan, we don't have F sound, okay? So like I said, we don't have V, F. We just have B, P. So B and P. Fan. 선풍기, 선풍기. 선풍기, 선풍기. All right, and next one is air conditioner, air conditioner. In Korean, we say 에어컨 or 에어콘. It's it's from the English word air conditioner, but in short, we say 에어컨. Interestingly, in America they say AC in short, but in Korean we say 에어컨. If you say AC, we don't understand. If you say air conditioner, we don't understand. You should say aircon or aircon. Either way. 에어컨. Exactly the same pronunciation. 에어컨. con. Con. Right? The next one is microwave oven. Microwave oven. We say 전자레인지 or 전자레인지. 전자레인지 or 전자레인지. Either way fine. 전자레인지 or 전자레인지. Microwave oven. 전자레인지. 전자레인지 or 전자레인지. Either way fine. Washing machine. 세탁기. There are also people use washing machine and after that they use dryer. We say 건조기 for dryer. Washing machine, 세탁기. 세탁 means washing clothes. 세탁기. 세탁기. Right, next one is computer. We say computer, but we also say PC or notebook. Notebook is for laptop. Notebook or PC. Computer. And also in short we just say come. If you say come then we understand. Cell phone, it says 핸드폰 but it's wrong. It's wrong practice sheet. Should be 핸드폰. Cell phone. 핸드폰. hand is 손. hand, right? It's broken English, right? hand, 손, phone. We don't have ph sound. Like I said, ph is same as f, and f same as va, fa, va, but we don't have ph sound, so we just say 폰. It's p sound. So so that's why for Korean it's kind of difficult to practice and learn English words because there are a pronunciation that we don't use. 핸드폰. hand, like I said earlier, this is wrong. Should be hand to phone. hand to phone. Alright? Yeah, this is more like learning Korean video, so I didn't really focus on calligraphy writing or something like that. Okay, this sheet I typed Korean handwriting practice sheet or Korean practice sheet on Google. So I just print it out and I made a video for you guys. So if you want to practice like I did, so go to Google and Google it, and then you'll see a lot of practice sheets, and then pick what you like, print it out, and practice. If you have any questions or comment, please leave it on comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you with a new video. Bye bye.